Italy. Just saying the name feels like a breath of fresh air, doesn't it? I want you to imagine yourself wandering through sun-drenched vineyards, the air thick with the scent of ripe grapes and wildflowers. That's Tuscany, where rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see, and every sunset looks like a painting you wish you could step into. Now picture yourself standing on a cliffside in the Amalfi Coast. Below, the Mediterranean sparkles like a million tiny diamonds. Pastel houses cling to the rocks as if they're trying to get the best view, just like you. The breeze is salty, the gelato is cold, and the streets are made for getting lost. Let's hop over to Venice, where time slows down. The canals wind through the city like secret passageways, and every bridge you cross leads to a new adventure. Gondolas glide past ancient palazzos, and the sound of water lapping against stone is the city's heartbeat. But Italy isn't just about famous places. It's the little things too, like sipping espresso in a tiny Roman cafe, watching the world rush by as you savor every drop, or stumbling upon a hidden piazza in Florence, where locals gather for laughter, music, and the world's best gelato. And then there's the Dolomites, jagged peaks that pierce the sky, draped in mist and legend. Hiking here feels like walking through a dream, with every turn revealing a new, jaw-dropping panorama. Italy is a feast for the senses. It's the golden light on ancient ruins, the echo of church bells, the taste of fresh pasta, and the warmth of a people who live life with passion. Every corner tells a different story, and every view leaves you a little more in love. So, are you ready to pack your bags? Because Italy isn't just a destination. It's a feeling you'll want to chase forever. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos.